Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what the New Year's bird does in Grow a Garden. So this is what it looks like. Basically it is it's an uncommon pet, and it occasionally flies around and launches fireworks everywhere to celebrate the New Year. That is pretty much what it does, and you are able to get the rainbow one. I'm not sure if it's a little bit more rare. I think it is, but it does the same thing. It just has a different look to it. But that is pretty much what the New Year's bird, that's what it does. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.